I'm mounting the...
Oh, there went the... Yep, that's definitely broken. Hey, get off the phone. You gotta be famous on the internet.
AT&T wants to talk to me for some reason.
Lame. Who are you?
Well, you know who I am. I'm Peyton. I'm the guy building a motorcycle, kind of, I guess.
I too am a guy building a motorcycle.
Yeah, well, I'm the other one.
This
the
is
better
gonna...
looking one.
What? This is... Who, mine or yours?
Me.
What? You saying I'm better looking?
I'm saying I'm better looking and my bike's better looking. That's what I'm saying.
Well, let's see how that is. Show everybody your bike.
All right, listen, okay? Just because my bike is in a bunch of pieces
What's
right
up
now.
with that? It looked so together and beautiful last time. Come on,
Yeah.
show us
so
your bike.
it was all together and beautiful. So this is my engine. It's doing
Where's the
great.
rest of the bike?
It's doing great.
Why
My
is
bike's
your
over there.
engine here?
My engine is here because I snapped off 4 bolts in the intake.
Why did you do that?
Because they were definitely seized and they needed to be out. So
All right, let's see these things. The horror show befalling us.
Trilled them out as best we could. And now they're out and they're tapped and they're ready to go.
Do you want to tell everybody how you didn't want to have to take your motor out to do it properly and you broke off cheap, like easy outs in it, and then we had to take the motor out to do it more properly and it sucked, and then everything else broke out, which may or may not have happened when I was doing it also?
That might have happened.
Do you think we got it now?
I think we got it now for sure. Yeah, it's definitely, nothing else can go wrong.
Nothing else can go. Well, let's see your bike, because that's just an engine.
Yeah, so
That's just
that's
an
my
engine.
That's,
Nobody is impressed by that.
and this is the bike. It's really empty now.
Peyton, where's everything else?
Yeah, I mean, basically it's just the engine that's missing.
All right, so you want to show everybody what you're doing, or what's good
Yeah,
or what's
so
bad?
right now I'm tapping, well, I already tapped, but I'm mounting the...
Oh, there went the... Yep, that's definitely broken.
I'm mounting the seat, or I'm trying to. It's going really well, as with everything that I do.
Okay. Show us your gauges that you made look beautiful.
Oh, yeah, beautiful. So these are my gauges.
They
I
came
painted
apart
them,
nicely.
and then I messed up the paint.
What?
And then...
You wrinkle finished it. That looks
Well,
kinda nice.
the wrinkle finish looks great.
Boy. You
there's a lot
super
of
wrinkled it.
stuff
Now you
to-
can't tell what it says.
Yeah, you just go by color.
You just go by color.
Red and orange are bad, blue and green are fine.
Okay. So, all right, that makes sense. All right.
That's really what we're going with.
That's brilliant.
Yeah, I'm a simple man. I don't like reading, writing, or arithmetic. I like I like colors, the pretty colors.
I don't know how to react to that. Okay. So
yeah, it's going well.
this happened. These got welded up. That's nice.
Yeah,
right?
those look fantastic. I'm really excited for that.
Okay,
We're
so
about
they
to
got
mount the
capped
seat.
off there.
So once the seat's mounted,
Where's your
and-
seat? Show them the seat.
Yeah. So I got the seat for $35 on the Amazons.
The Amazon. So throw it on there.
It took a little bit of finagling. I had to cut up the bottom a little bit, but
Okay.
when all is said and done, it fits really well. And I was actually home showing my family and like friends and stuff pictures of the bike, and they're like, "Oh, I love the seat," and I'm like, "That was the easiest, cheapest part of the whole motorcycle." But thanks. That's the one thing I didn't build.
I dig it. I dig it.
But yeah, I'm reasonably excited to see how
You
it's
still
going.
excited? Happy where it's going?
Yeah, you know.
So what's up with all this electrical tape right
Hey,
here? What's going on there?
Listen,
What's
all right?
that?
That's all the wires that fit in the old headlight mount
Okay, it's not there anymore.
that are not in the new headlight mount, because the new headlight mount is slightly smaller.
I
By
see.
slightly, I mean
So-
quite smaller. So I'm gonna tuck those out of the way where you can't see them, and you're never gonna know.
Yeah, right. Okay. So this is the old booty that ruined your life, taking off the engine. Huh?
Yeah, pretty much. They were pretty janky.
That is delightful.
But the new ones are beautiful.
Okay.
And now that the bike's apart, I've been able to touch up all the paint that I did with it together, and I was really bad at painting because it was like the first time
Yes.
I had painted anything bike or automotive related.
Do you want to show them your competition?
I'd rather not. Yours looks a lot better than mine right now.
That's, well,
Right now, when mine's done, it will.
you were all excited because your bike looked all together and you're kicking my butt when it's in a million pieces. And now where's it at?
Listen.
Now where's it at?
Listen, once we put those boots back on, my bike is so close to done. I just got to drop the motor back in and then.
What? Why don't
put
you
the
show
tank
them
on,
the Ducati?
and
Come
then-
on, tell. You can review.
Yeah, you haven't even clear coated the Ducati. Get out of here.
I don't need to clear coat. I'm gonna polish it.
Get out of my life.
Go show them.
All right. Well, this is my Ducati.
It's not yours. It's mine.
Yeah, this is Casey's Ducati, and it went from looking honestly pretty janky to really good now, which is annoying
thanks.
because mine went from looking really good to being very janky.
What up, people? So I gotta show them this. So this was the original Super Sport tank, and if you guys recall, I had a piece of aluminum right there. Haha. So the Super Sport tank would look super lame. And the people that do cafe builds, I've seen a lot of them, there's some pretty nice ones, but they just leave the tank alone. And you can't really get anything else to fit well. So I bonded using body panel adhesive, aluminum to the side, and which the seam's right about here, and filler, and did a lot of things to strengthen it up. In all honesty, I expect this in a few years to shrink and whatnot, and there'll be a bit of a seam, but it's fine. And the other thing too is, it looks so good that in the future I could take a mold of it or make some panels that I could bond to it in the future. So it's a really good prototype, it looks great. I'm just doing single stage acrylic enamel. I did a little bit of wet sanding here. I haven't buffed it out just yet. So that's why that looks a little bit less than shiny than the tail and the nose. I'm super happy with the general form and the balance of it in general. I think it looks great. I'm really excited. If you look at the seat pan, I had this done at a nice place called Lee's Trim here in the Toledo, Ohio area. I was thinking about going a rich suede tan, but I actually ended up going black. I just thought it'd be a little more understated and nice, but diamond pattern with the suede in the middle, and then of course regular leather for a little higher wear on the sides when you're really trying to hang in there. I did go with the twin shock route, like we've talked about for some time. It's going to be great. Obviously, really nicely gusseted and triangulated in the frame, so I think that's going to be fine. These are actually stock shocks off my old Triumph Bonneville, or would also be on the Thruxton. So I think they're going to perform okay, and it's very easy to get aftermarket ones that fit. So no problems there. Can do something there in the future. The megaphones are going to sound awesome. One note and something that I learned: if you buy a bike that's been laid down, just because it doesn't look too bad doesn't mean everything's not tweaked. So this is another front wheel that I bought off of eBay, because the front wheel that I refinished and put on the bike is pretty wonkus. And I, like an imbecile, didn't spin it to find out. It looks nice, but it's crap. So I got this off eBay, which also sucked because it was wonkus, but its wonkusness was less than that wonkusness, and I could beat it back into submission and be within less than a millimeter of lateral and hop. So I think it's gonna be pretty nice for what it is. I think I'm gonna leave the carbon fiber on it for now. Looks nice and balanced. I still have to do the carbon inner fender in the back. And I've got the wiring up front finished, but I still have to do all the wiring in here, as well as putting the airbox kind of stuff back on, battery, and then start it up. Gotta change the oil. And the moment of truth you find out when you buy a used bike that's been laid down. Gee, I hope it didn't have oil starvation problems, or the guy ran into the ground and having Desmo problems. So fingers crossed it's a half decent engine that doesn't blow smoke everywhere, making horrible clattery noises that it shouldn't. But I am really proud of it. I think it's gonna be neat. Still have to do some subtle decal stuff and whatnot. So next time we do a video, Peyton, what should we do? We should do one together. We should be riding.
Yeah, we should.
Riding.
We should definitely be
Totally
riding.
didn't flip that over right.
I didn't flip it over right, but that's fine. It's still recording, so
Fair enough.
I
So
didn't mess it
your
up.
bike's all apart, man.
But it'll be back together by next week, and I think that'll be ready.
You'll
to
have that
go
together in a
basically.
day.
Yeah.
Totally.
I mean, the engine out was like super easy. I thought it was going to be a pain in the butt, but it ended up being really, really easy.
Totally.
So I think it's going to be cake to put back in.
We do have to apologize. We totally failed at our end goal of going to the Mid-Ohio Vintage Races. That already happened. We didn't go.
Yeah.
What's our excuse?
Well, we were filming a bunch, and that was like 2.5 weeks. So
we had a really cool big deal opportunity happen, and so for 2.5 weeks we were pretty distracted. So that put us behind from the bikes, but some really amazing things going to come up in the future that you guys are all going to like. Some beautiful filming for Genius Garage in 6K.
Oh, yeah.
6K, what up? I didn't even know that was a thing.
I did not know 6K was a thing.
I didn't know
but
Is this
that
the future?
camera's
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
But we'll get it done, and we'll go for a ride. It's going to be great fun.
For sure.
And,
I don't predict more than 1 or 2 more weeks, honestly.
No, you'll be good. We got to get it done, and we got to show everybody what's going on. So,
For sure.
Peyton and Casey with the bike build off his $100 to start with Yamaha Brat.
I'm still under 1,000.
I'm not. There's so much time in these bikes that there makes no sense to sell. We need to just keep these forever and just like showboat and like represent all the craftsmen out there. So it's like built, not bought. And if you can't build it, you can't buy it, right?
Yeah. My dad said he'd buy mine for $400, which is definitely mildly insulting, but I mean,
Correct.
I guess it's
And
okay.
Did you say something back to him that you can say to public?
Yeah, I mean, I told him that it was definitely going to be worth a lot more than that, but
Oh, so you went with the nice diplomatic route.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
No, I mean, I still need his help on things.
Fair enough. All right, guys. So Peyton Casey's bike build off. Things are going really well. It's exciting, and genuinely, we're happy and excited you guys are following along. We hope you get inspired, and please like, comment, maybe share, and subscribe. See you next time.
Have a good one.
Bye, guys.